friends, welcome back to Teachinns. I have come again to meet you. I was so much anxious to meet you again, and I was just eagerly waiting for meet you. So this is the day, and I am again here with another video. So in our previous video session, we have discussed about the importance of the UGC NET exam. Now today we are just going to discuss about the most important thing of particularly that exam, and what it is the paper 1. Why the paper 1 is so much important? In Teachinns, we do believe that it is not possible to crack NET or SET exam without sound marks in paper 1. Here in Teachinns, again listen the word Teachinns. Here in Teachinns, we do believe that it is highly possible to score at least 80% marks in paper 1 with a simple preparation. If you dedicate 2 hours every day for next 45 days, it is highly possible to score 80% marks in paper 1. So, why? Now the question is, why the importance of paper 1 is increasing day by day, year by year? So reasons of growing importance of paper 1. Now I am just going to discuss it. It is seen that most of the aspirants have very good knowledge of paper 2, that means their own subject, but they don't have enough knowledge of paper 1. But they think that it is possible to crack NTA NET exam with good command over subject paper, but it is very tough to score good marks in the subject paper in spite of good command over subject. So what should you do? So if you can score reasonable marks in paper 1, it makes your journey much easier. And to make that preparation much easier, Teachinns has invented a magical table. Here I am just going to demonstrate that table. So I am just requesting you people, please have a glance on that screen, and I am just going to elaborate. I am just going to describe that table. Here we have divided the table into 10 units. In the very beginning, the first one is teaching aptitude. If you invest your 5 to 8 hours from the whole session of your preparation for the paper 1, you will make yourself master on particular field. And for the second, number 2, research aptitude. If you invest 5 to 8 hours, you can get enough from that. And number 3, comprehension. You have to invest only 2 to 5 hours from your whole session of the preparation for the paper 1. And number 4, the most important thing, that is communication. You have to invest only 3 to 6 hours. It's a minimum hours from your session. And number 5, mathematical reasoning. You have to invest little bit more hours. Here you have to invest only 15 to 25 hours. And number 6, logical reasoning. 15 to 20 hours you have to invest here. Number 7, data interpretation. 12 to 15 hours you have to invest here. Number 8, information and communication technology. You have to invest 5 to 7 hours from your whole session of the preparation for the paper 1. And number 9, people and environment. 5 to 7 hours. And last, number 10, higher education and polity. Just invest here only 5 to 8 hours. So in total, if you invest from 67 to 109 hours from your whole session of the preparation for the paper 1, I am giving you the insurance, I am giving you the assurance on behalf of Teachinns that you are going to be a master for the paper 1. And now I am just going to tell you reason of growing importance of paper 1, why it is so much important. Secondly, one thing is that the syllabus of paper 1 is very much limited compared to the enormous syllabus of paper 2. So, securing at least 70 to 80% marks in paper 1 will provide you lots of dividend to you, which implies that you need not focus so much on paper 2. So here already I have given you so much lecture, so I am not going to make longer of this lecture. For today, that's it. I hope that you have enjoyed my video, and before ending this video, before saying you bye bye, again I am requesting you, please don't forget to share the video, because if you share, then we will grow, you will grow. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet soon again.